Welcome to 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Volkswagen ID, a bold new entry into the electric vehicle segment. Is this the EV that finally perfects Volkswagen's vision for the future? Let's find out. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Volkswagen ID has undergone a sleek evolution. The front fascia is sharper, featuring a more aerodynamic grille-less design, complemented by slim LED headlights that seamlessly integrate with the illuminated VW logo. The lower bumper gets a sportier touch, optimizing airflow for better efficiency. Along the side, the sculpted lines give it a dynamic look, while the flush door handles and aero-optimized wheels enhance its futuristic appeal. At the rear, the wraparound LED taillight bar and subtle roof spoiler add a modern touch, making it stand out in the EV crowd. Stepping inside, Volkswagen continues its minimalistic yet tech-focused approach. The cabin feels spacious with a clean dashboard layout, featuring a larger infotainment screen with the latest VW software. The fully digital driver's display offers crisp animations and real-time data. Soft touch materials elevate the premium feel, and the newly designed steering wheel offers improved ergonomics. Seating is comfortable, with sustainable fabric options for an eco-friendly touch. Rear passengers get ample legroom, making it practical for daily commutes. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the 2025 Volkswagen ID houses an upgraded battery pack, offering improved range and efficiency. The single-motor variant provides a balanced mix of power and economy, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive version delivers instant torque and a sportier drive. The regenerative braking system is refined for a smoother experience. Volkswagen claims a 0 to 60 mph time of under 7 seconds for the top variant, making it quick while still maintaining efficiency. That's our first look at the 2025 Volkswagen ID. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, and don't forget to subscribe to 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto for the latest updates.